we are having a huge difference, like how much salary deduction will be there. Income tax, then we will be having. Hi guys, you are watching Dreaming Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, I am here. And guys, I am here with such a demanding video. So guys, this video maybe will be your deciding factor that how you can decide that is it worth for you to travel to Germany and settle there just for this much salary. Now you will be thinking, this much salary, what do you mean by, ma'am? So guys, let me tell you, in this video I will be letting you know that how much salary you will be getting in your hand. So you will be getting in your hand, or how much salary, how much taxes, how many things will be deducted from your salary if you go to Germany. Yeah, so are you excited for this video? Let's go forward. And before that, let me tell you, if you are new on my channel, then guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video and like this video. Click the bell icon so that you can know the new video notification very first. So yeah, stay tuned with amazing videos. I'm coming live also on Tuesday. Like every Tuesday I come live at 2 p.m. So yeah, stay tuned. And every Saturday I come up with new video at 4 p.m. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, I just want to tell you one thing. If you are planning to go to Germany, then please make sure that you must see the realistic things, like how much salary you will be getting in your hand, the first thing. Second thing, that how much salary deduction will be there. Is it worth for you to travel to settle in Germany just for that much amount? Maybe you will be getting more salary in India than that, right? And last but not the least, that salary will be enough to survive in Germany, because Germany is not a cheap country. Germany, different state had different survival amount required. So yeah, it totally depends that where you are planning, what company you are opting, and what is the salary structure, how much salary deduction you will be getting. So yeah, make sure you see all these points, then only you decide that is it okay or not. Am I clear? Now let's go to the salary deductions. And one more thing which is very important, I want to clear up with you that guys, normally so many people, so many students, so many GG families, subscribers do ask me that, ma'am, do let me know, I'm a translator, I have done this much, or I'm having this much experience, how much salary I will be getting. So guys, let me clear you. I in fact, nobody, me or anybody from anywhere, cannot tell you anything regarding this, because everything is, every requirements, every company requirements, every company salary structures, everything is different. Maybe according to your experience you'll be getting more, maybe some other company will be giving you much more. So it totally depends, I cannot tell you. But yes, you can, by this watching this video, you will be getting some estimate that okay, if you are getting this per annum, this package, then how much salary you will be getting per month in your hand. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, we all know that in India also we get gross salary and a net salary, right? So in Germany also we get the same thing. We are having a deduction from gross salary. Now in Germany we are having a huge difference. Like in India we don't have much difference, but in Germany we are having huge difference in our gross salary and in our net salary. So we're gonna discuss that how many deduction we will be having, and I will be letting you know each and everything in detail. If you still have any doubt, you can please comment me down below. I will be getting it solved as soon as possible. So yeah, let's get. So yeah, first let's discuss. So guys, now we will be discussing about salary deduction in Germany. So yes, now you will be finding that it is divided into two. First part will be subdivided into three parts, and the second one will be divided into four subdivision. So let's go and learn and see over it. So guys, the first division is into three subdivisions, as I have told you. First is income tax deduction, second is church deduction, third is solitary deduction, and if I come to the second division, which will be divided into four subdivisions, that is health insurance, unemployment insurance, care insurance, and pension deductions. Now let's go forward and learn about it in details. Guys, let me tell you, the most deduction from gross salary in Germany is done by tax deduction. Now I'll be letting you know that how in tax deduction it is basically divided into six classes, which is class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. So this is how it will be going on. So the maximum tax which cuts in tax deductions is 10 to 45%. This I'm talking about all the classes which are like, it depends on the class. So first of all, let me tell you, Germany tax is a progressive tax, which means the more you earn, the more tax you have to pay. So this is how it goes on. So yeah, now if I talk about class 1, if you are a bachelor or your spouse is in different country, in that case you will be called as bachelor also, and that comes in class 1. In that case your deduction will be approximately 42%. If you are married, then you can choose any tax class from 3, 4 or 5, and deduction will be approximately 15 to 8%. If you want more explanation, a detailed video over it, then you can comment me down below. I will be making it because this is the most important video for the people who are planning their jobs to do in Germany, because the salary deduction from your gross salary is much higher as if I talk about from India. So guys, now let's talk about solitary tax. This tax is maybe about to waive off from the rules, so it will be gonna be good news. So if something comes like that, I will let you know. Right now the tax which is there for solitary tax is 5.5%, and which is very important for you to know is that 50% you have to pay and 50% your employer has to pay. So don't worry, and it is about to waive off, so let's hope for the best, finger crossed. Now let's go to the church tax. Is depends on the different states where you are living. It may from 8 to 9%. Church tax, if you are a church member, then only you have to pay, otherwise you don't have to pay. When you go to the company will be asking you, the HR team will be asking you that you are a church member or not. If not, then your tax will be not deducted. If you are, then your tax will be deducted. So it's totally depend on you. Now as I have told you, social security deduction will having four different divisions: pension deductions, health insurance, unemployment insurance, and care insurance. Now guys, first is pension deductions. Now this pension is little different from the Indian pension which we get in Germany. Pension funding is not for you, it's for the people who have already retired from this company. So basically you are helping that people who have retired. So these money will be given to them who are not actually working and now retired. And guys, I will request you, don't think that from now onwards itself that you will be getting this much pension at your retirement time. That is not a criteria in Germany. In Germany it depends at the time of retirement, how many people are working in your company and how many are working. So from their salary obviously you will be getting it. So yeah, it totally depends that how many people are working. So according to that you will be getting your pensions after retirement. So pension deductions are for that. It is very important to know that why all the taxes, for which reason you are paying. So that's why I have made this video. I hope it will be helpful. So let's go to the health insurance. Now guys, health insurance is also the major deduction. Health insurance is for the medical facilities you get. You may have heard that Germany medical services are free. It's not free, it's cut from your income only. So health insurance is mandatory in Germany, and in that you are having two things: one is private and public. 99.9% people take public only. Private, for private I can tell you one thing, it is not more beneficial, and if you take private then you don't have any choice to opt the public again. So yeah, this you have to think. If I talk about public, then it will be approximately 14.6% which gonna cut, and again 50% you have to pay and 50% your employer will gonna pay. So this is a criteria for health insurance. If I talk about unemployment insurance, in this case your job is not there in some X company. Suppose you're not having a job, then company will be paying you total salary. Total salary you will be getting per annum. You will be getting 60% till 1 year. In case you have one or two kids, then maybe 67%. It depends on your conditions. Last but not the least, care insurance. In that you will be having kid, then you have to pay 2.8%. Of course, if you are having kid, then your percentage, your tax will be decreased, and in that case 50% you have to pay, and 50% again your employer. And if you have no kid, then you have to pay approximately 2.55%, and same 50% you have to pay, and 50% you don't have to pay, your employer will pay. In this case, you want any household or any nurse need, so you can get it for 6 months. Care insurance is basically for this. I hope guys you are much more clear till now. Now let's see that how exactly they do the addition and subtraction and multiply of all the things. So yeah, let's see some practical examples, and then we're gonna see you in the next video. So yeah, just see the practical, and I hope the things will be more clear for you. If you need any more video, then of course you have a choice. You can comment me down below and tell me at what particular option you want the things in detail. I will definitely make it out. Now let's go and watch some practicals. So guys, I hope this whole video is so much informative for you. If you like this video, then don't forget to share this, like this, subscribe German Gyan YouTube channel. I hope you like this, and stay tuned with upcoming videos. Keep learning German with German Gyan, and stay tuned. See you in the next video. I'm coming live on Tuesday at 2 p.m. Stay tuned. Cheers!